Hello there. I have a little bit of a lisp because of these fangs. I'm getting used to them. This is the first time that I'm wearing them, but I'm pretty sure that once I get used to them, the lisp will go away. But I just thought that they complete this look. I don't have any makeup on right now, but I did already put in my sclera lenses and my devil horns and these fangs that I got from Vamp Fangs. And today, we're going to be turning ourselves into Satan. I'm just doing like a classic red devil look, but like a sexy, glamorous red devil, but also kind of scary. So we really want to harness the shackles of addiction and agony and burning in hell for all eternity into this look. So we're just going to start with some primer. I'm going to go in with the CoverFX Blurring Primer, just to give myself a nice flat base to start with. So after that, I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge. This is a Sephora brand one. And I'm going to take this Mehron Fantasy FX cream paint, just the bright red color. And I'm going to go in with thin layers of transparent red color and just build up until my skin is completely red and opaque. And for this, I'm going to tie my hair back just so I don't get any red paint in my hair. Now, the reason I'm starting kind of transparent with a wash of color and building up slowly is because I want this red skin to look as natural as possible. So if you just glob it on all at once, it's going to be really thick and cakey and hard to put other makeup on top of, which we want to do. So we're just trying to get the natural glowing red skin. I'd say this is a nice, natural, glowy finish. It dries down kind of like, it just doesn't feel heavy at all, which is great. So next, I'm going to set all my powder, but I'm going to do it in a different way that I usually do, of course. I'm going to use Sugarpill Love Plus, which is just a matte, true red eyeshadow. It's like the most flat, perfect red you've ever used in your life. It's one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. And I'm just going to use that just like I would use a setting powder and just dust it all over my face so it evens things out and sets everything. Alright, so now that we're all set, I'm going to contour. But of course I'm not going to contour with the normal colors that I would contour my face with since I'm red. I'm going to use black eyeshadow and go in just with a very light hand. And I'm actually going to use the same brush so that the black kind of mixes with the red a little bit. So it's not just like black lines. I just want to kind of create that shadow. Of course I want to do more dramatic contour than usual because I would like my face to be a little bit more angular and demonic looking than normal. So I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow from the Sauce Box Etude palette. I find that it's great black eyeshadow, but it's not the carbon black, really intense powdery kind. It's more soft and blendable, which I love, so it's perfect for what I'm about to do. I'm just going to use this concealer brush to do a little bit of nose contouring just because I want my nose to look extra sharp. So that looks pretty crazy. I'm going to take this sculpting brush from Real Techniques and just blend everything as best as I can. Okay, now I want to soften this contour a little bit more. So I'm going to grab this maroon shade from the Give Me Glow quad that I have. It's a very gorgeous, soft, really easily blendable eyeshadow. And I'm just going to try to blend that out to mute the black down a little bit. Okay, so I wasn't super happy with how the nose contour came out, so I just put some of the red paint back on top of it to try and even it out a little bit. And next I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner. It's from the Faux Blacks line. It's called Oxblood. It's just a deep blood red. And I'm going to line my waterline with that just because it's really standing out to me right now. I would think that the devil has some pretty sharp, pointy eyebrows for that attitude. So I'm going to use this Pretty Vulgar black gel liner and just make my eyebrows like shooting, pointing up and kind of going down, looking very like evil. And as I do my brows, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the meaning of the devil card. If you get the devil card, it signifies that there is some kind of addiction or some kind of codependency holding you down. If you look at the Rider-Waite Devil Tarot card, it's obviously like the red devil Satan. He has a man and a woman on either side of them, and they're chained down. Their arms are chained to his throne. A big meaning of the devil card is the chains of addiction, whether that addiction is drugs and alcohol, or video games, or food, or shopping, or gambling, whatever your vice is. That card shows you that your vice is getting out of control and you're trapped by your own addiction. It's a very informative card and it's very pertinent when it comes up. The meaning is very obvious. It signifies obviously giving in to temptation, letting yourself go. It's not exactly a positive card, but it could let you know that it's time for you to make some positive changes, which is a good thing. I'm going to do a quick, simple little eye look to accentuate my eyes, and I'm going to, again, use the Saucebox Etude palette, and I'm going to go in with this black and this dark brown and just try to contour my eyes a little bit. I'm not going to go in with primer because since my eyelids are already red, I don't want to mess up the texture of the color. I'm just going to grab this Morphe M505. Just a nice rounded tapered blending brush, and I'm going to pick up this neutral gray. And now I'm going to use the same brush and just go back into the black color here and further accentuate my crease. And I'm going to kind of wing the shape out a little bit to kind of bring my eyes up into a cat shape. I'm going to take the Sephora small shadow brush and just add some black to my lower waterline as well. And now we're going to glam this up a little bit. I'm going to take some of this really gorgeous Dear Katie Brown glitter. The color is called Pointy Reckoning, and it's just a perfect red chunky glitter. And I'm going to use a little bit of this NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm just going to put it on my lids. And I'm also going to take some of my lower lash line and kind of bring it down my cheeks, just to have some kind of like glitter fallout, kind of like tears falling look. I just think that this glitter is so incredibly beautiful, and it adds so much to the look that I just kind of want it to stand out a lot. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Wander Beauty Unlash mascara. It's just really light, really perfect for me because I'm going to put falsies on, so it's the best base for me for the falsies. Now I'm going to take that same black gel liner that I used before, and I'm just going to add some really dramatic wings. For the wings, I'm going to use this Hakuhodo liner brush, which is amazing. Now that the eyeliner's done, I'm going to put on some lashes. I thought that these lashes from Distinction Brow and Lash, the style was called Drama, I thought they were perfect because they're very big and fluffy, and I think they kind of go along with the theme. So I'm just going to put those on real quick. Alright, now that my lashes are on, my eyes are pretty much done, I'm going to move on to the lips. I'm going to use the same exact liner brush and the same exact gel liner, and I'm going to make a kind of clownish shape in black, and then I'm going to fill it in with black lipstick. Now I'm going to take this Lime Crime Velvetine black liquid lipstick and just fill in the lines. While that's drying, I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight with this Rituel de Fille Solaris highlighter, which is kind of a warm tone iridescent highlighter. I don't want to use anything too light or opaque because it'll make me look dusty since my base is red, so I think this is perfect. So I'm just going to tap a little on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, and tiny bit on the cheekbones. Now to finish off the lips, I'm going to take a little bit more of the Pointy Reckoning glitter from Dear Katie Brown, and I'm going to tap it on my lips. And then I'm going to top that off with this NYX lid lacquer, which is an eye gloss, but it's like the glossiest thing in the world. Like, you'll see what I mean. So on top of the glitter, it's just going to make my lips look like liquid vinyl, glittery black awesomeness. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And that's it. This is my devil look, my little glittery, spooky, weird devil. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comments something else that you'd like to see. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!